Sky, and I'm going to show you around my room today. As you can see, we're upstairs. Look around. And now we are going to go in my room. So this is what my room looks like. Here's my sparkly pillow. Those are my butterflies up there. And that's my pictures. And we are going to read a little bit about my holiday book. So this is what's inside my holiday book. So we have to get to this part to see the Nutcracker. And these are all the pages. And so all these books have 3 pages. So this is all the books. And here's the Nutcracker. That's what the Nutcracker. And well, I just think that this is Hansel and Gretel. I just think it because it has lots of candy in the candy house.
Well, that's really cool. Hey, Sky, why don't you show us all those pretty animals? And if they have any names, tell us the names.
Okay. All of them have names, actually.
They do?
So this one's name is Bunny.
Hi, Bunny.
This one's name is Doggy.
Hey, Doggy Dog.
And this one's name is Berry. And this one's name is kind of buried up. Her name is Kitty.
Kitty.
And Big Giraffe here.
Big Giraffe. Wait, do you have twins?
Yeah.
They look just
Wolfie
alike.
and Wolfie and Wolfie.
Oh, you have 3 Wolfies that
And
all
this
hang
is
out
my
together.
doggy, and she has a pink eye, pink ear, pink
Cute.
pink paw. And I have this baby giraffe.
Baby Giraffe.
And this lamb that was kind of buried up. She has a little bowette.
Hi, Lammy.
Hi. And she's going to keep this guy from falling. And this is Barry.
Hi, Bear.
He's so hairy. Hairy.
And Ellie, the elephant, is the last one.
And she can suck up butter.
Whoa, they're all falling. Ah, they're falling. Put them back together.
Okay.
And what does that say on your wall?
Oh, it's Skylar. That's my name.
But what do people call you?
Oh, Sky. This is my name. S-K-Y.
There you go.
This is my other name. It goes S-K-Y-L-E-R.
Beautiful.
And these are all my books.
Go.
So, we paused the book because my daddy was coughing, so we are going to read the book again. And after this part, we're going to read a little bit more about my holiday book.
What's the book called?
Oh, it's called... It doesn't have a name. This
Best
Frozen.
Friends.
In the land of Arendelle, many people dwell. You may find a princess with eyes are blue and a funny snowman too. Oh, Elsa! You may find a princess with a plan and a trusty mountain man. You may find a deer who's always too kind to help with them. Each one of them has something where a special bond that they all share. Finn and Christopher write letters. They're devoted to each other. All brave and without fire to save somebody he admired. Elsa was left in a palace of ice and snow, but Anna would not let her go. Kristoff showed his love to his wheel, about on the home to hill. Our story has a happy ending, and we truly are the best friends. So, that's it, and it was a short book, as you saw in the other part we did. And we are now going to read a more of my holiday book. Now, so I'm going to show you all about this mouse book. Okay. It's just like this princess book. It has 3 pages. This one and this one. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!